Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about key Meos.com reviews? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. Also, guys, if you want to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So, please stay tuned with us. Also, people from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any part of the video. So now we'll discuss about the website type and the products it deals with. So this website is an online shopping store which deals with boots and jumpsuits. They offer different kind of boots and different kind of jumpsuits. So you can check their products out by visiting to their official site. So next we'll check their payment method. For that you have to click on payment method, or you can also check by scrolling it down. So here they've only mentioned that you can pay through PayPal or credit card. And if you scroll it down, they have given it here. You can pay through Maestro, Visa, Electron, GCB, American Express, Diners Club, and Discover. Now let's check the shipping policy to check the shipping timing. So here they've given the processing timing and the shipping timing. So the processing timing is 1 to 3 business days and the transportation timing is 10 to 22 days. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now if you want to know about the domain information, so this website was first registered on 16th of October 2021 and it is going to expire on 16th of October 2022, which means it is quite new website and hence it can't be trusted easily. Now let's go check their about us details. But when it comes to their about us details, they haven't given their business establishment here or about their founder identity, which is a negative sign of this website. So now if you want to know about the contact details, go to the contact us page section. Here they have given it. So here they have given the full contact details as you can see, but the physical address is totally suspicious because they've given someone else's address as you can see. So you can check this out by yourself. Also, the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this website. But there is another second email address which does not match with the domain site. So this is a negative sign. Now if you want to know about their return and refund policy, let's check it. So here it hasn't mentioned that if you want to return the product, you have to return it within 30 days. And they mentioned that they will issue a refund within 12 to 24 hours of receiving their returned merchandise. So you can check this out. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the Meos.com reviews, we didn't find any single customer review of this website anywhere. And the trust score is only 1% and the business trust ranking is only 14.6%, which is very low and poor. And the content quality also seems to be totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the Meos.com reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. This website is very new. It does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, they haven't given their genuine contact details and the trust score is very poor. So it is a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.